Today, we're playing Blox Fruits. We're gonna test a myth. Only one myth. If we buy a boat and if you just press surprise attack. If you only had rarity and no, it didn't work. I know how it. Wait, I didn't move. It worked. The myth is if you use the surprise attack in one more in the boat, if you get a timing, the boat will just like you know, flip, not like flip. The boat just like goes upwards to the sky. That's a myth. Yep, the boat actually moved. Okay. And let me search. Wait. Yes.
How to recreate Ice Spice's look in Roblox.
Ano tawag ba yun? So guys, okay, buff lock. UCK.
Babe, hindi yan dito kumakain. Naku yung patch ano na. Ano ha? Ayaw pa sumunod sa akin.
Chill, relax.
Don't use the word patron.
Blox Fruits code.
Day 7, trying to get leopard from random spend part 3.
What the?
Day 7, trying to get leopard from random spend part 3.
May okasyon tayo nun, di ba? Birthday mo, di ba?
Okay, let's try it.
Huwag mo na ibalik. Tapos na
If that tries, I will do nothing. I will do nothing.
Tapos na yan, babalikan mo pa.
Hello. Never mind. And slash. That's not E. Try. MB. Try and enough money, right?
Kasi naglaro si Mia Mabi. Hanggang ngayon hindi na naayos sa bed sheet na ano. Kaya tinapon daw nila. Ang pag-bibili ko daw. Bakit kahit mo yung bibili nila.
It's a pro. It's awakening. It's V4. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, let's try that again. Slash TRY.
Ako ba, araw-araw sila.
Bigat na bigat sila sa
Oh,
pamilya nila. Nawala sila sa time na makipagsalamuha sa pamilya nila. If there's a will, there's a way.
Sabi niya, hindi niya daw abot.
B.
Share mo?
Are you serious right now, bro? I got a freaking string fruit. It's a floating fruit. Was that a floating fruit? It's a freaking floating fruit. That's okay. That just wasted my time and money. Okay. The judges tribal. Okay, I know that thingy. Like last night, I tried that code, but it's not working, and it isn't real. And I saw it, and it was invalid.
Si Mia ata dahil.
Mia, yung
God
document
person
na nilagyan mo, ipasok mo na ulit dito kasi nandito naman yung tao.
And the walls kept tumbling down.
Doing this account for control through TikTok.
Yan, hindi yung kaso yan eh. Hindi naman yung basta-basta.
Hoy, mag-toothbrush nga kayong dalawa. Ay, kayong tatlo, pati ikaw, daddy, di ka nag-toothbrush.
Kagabi, hindi ako nag-toothbrush kagabi.
Kagabi, pero doon sa Swivik, di ka talaga nag-toothbrush. Buo-buo pa rin talaga yung mga
I got me a drop top, and if I hit the switch, I can make the ad. I got me a drop top, and if I hit the switch, I can make the ad. I got me.
Okay, I'm gonna steal accent.
Tirándolo para arriba para que vaya Cocotán. Baila, me, ay, 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 ay. Baila mi Cocotán, brinca como Tarzán. Me encaramo arriba de ti, te como un plan. La bola se me plan, claro que se me plan. No te estás jamaqueando como que son un pimpán. Tómala donde Juan, y no el de los...
Ano yung pinapahit mo sa akin? Ang bastos nito eh. Lumapa ka nga. Lumapa ka.
Di ba ingay mo?
Ah! Ay!
Tirándolo para arriba para que baile cocotán. Baila.
Damn, I think I love her. Shot it so bad, I sprung and I don't care. She wrapped me like a roller coaster, turned the bedroom into a fair. Her love is like a drug. I was trying to hit it and quit it, but little mama so dope, I messed around and got addicted. Say you wanna play with magic.
Ay, naku.
You're not.
Aray! Aray!
Fresh
Wala,
off the
tagilid.
boat.
What's it move to Mark?
I paid $500 for this account.
Oh my god. He has leopard, dragon, spirit, control, venom, shadow, bow, gravity. Alright, let me check out the fruit dealer. He might have some permanent fruit. He has light permanent, permanent Buddha, permanent bird, permanent portal. He has permanent rumble as well, permanent blizzard, permanent doe, permanent venom, permanent spirit. And mind you, these are all fully leveled up as well. Permanent dragon? Yes, permanent leopard as well. Let me know, would you guys pay $500 for this account?
I paid $500 for this account.
Oh my god. He has leopard, dragon, spirit, control, venom, shadow, bow, gravity. Alright, let me check out the fruit dealer. He might have...
Hi guys. Today we are going to buy hockey for my dough. Leg?
For
Yes, sir. We are now have Logia. Let's try.
okay. Okay, Underwater City.
Nag-strike kasi sila. Ano sila? Usap-usap.
Yay!
Decide sila na
That for the day video bye. Hi guys. Today we are going to buy hockey for my dough.
Hi, how are ya?
nilabong hindi, kaya siya ginawa. Kunyari, ginawa yung
Added 500 Robux.
2003, gano'n. Oh, hindi na yun pwede gamitin. Kasi, luma na siya, matagal na siya. Pwede na siyang masira, pwede na mag-cause ng accident. Diba? So ngayon, ang gusto ng government natin, i-phase out na yung mga jeep. Tatanggalin na nga, hindi na papayagan na umandar. O, pwede gano'n, or ano, basta gano'n, hindi na pwede gamitin. So, papalitan na lang mga bago. Ano kayo gagawin doon? May-ari, solo, kawawa naman. So ngayon, yung mga may-ari ng jeep na luma, nagagalit sila.
O kaya nga,
Diba? Mia, so sasabihin nila,
yung trabaho.
oh, hindi pwede. Umaandar pa naman tong jeep ko, gano'n. So,
wala rin pala kasiguraduhan
parang
kung
nagalit
sino
sila.
magsusupply sa atin ng mga e-jeeps. Oh, wala rin kasiguraduhan kung anong benepisyo makukuha ng mga driver doon sa e-jeeps na yon.
Bebe, diyan ka bebe, bilis ah.
Kaya nga, kawawa ang mga driver. Ano?
Gets mo na niya.
Paano kung yung Oo, at saka saan dadalhin ng mga jeep na yun? Ha?
I'll blow up into smithereens and spew my tiny
Who wants my Roblox account? I have lots of outfits and accessories. The rules: follow me, comment something nice, and like the video. I will pick the winner on Friday. Make sure you follow all the rules. I also have rare antlers and rare build.
If you forgot the password, how can you restore it?
Gotta get to know you more. I can feel a real connection.
Go to help.
Natural attraction. I got the face for you, yeah, 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 yeah.
Your birthday.
Hold of my heart, oh yeah. Never let it go, oh, oh, no, never let it go.
Damn, I think I love her. Shot it so bad, I sprung and I don't care. She ride me like a roller coaster, turned the bedroom into a fair. Her love is like a drug. I was trying to hit it and quit it, but little mama so dope, I messed around and got addicted.
So you wanna play with my team? Boy, you should know what you're tonight. Baby, do you dare to do this?
I'm got hacked for all my murder mystery 2 stuff. Could you make me a privacy account, please? If not, that okay, I understand.
Kumain na nga kayo ng piyat.
Kaya nga, hindi naman lang ako binigyan.
Kahit ako,
Todo nagpakain yun eh.
hindi ako nakakain.
Sana kumuha ka after binigay mo sa akin.
Eh hindi nga eh. Ayaw nyo nga akong bigyan. Nag-away pa kayo, di ba?
Anong away?
Eh di yung lagi nyo ginagawa. Lagi naman kayo nag-away, di ba? Never na kayong nagbate.
Damn, I think I love her. Shot it so
What's your password? Lovely Angel 563 for 9. I'm okay. Logs in. Oh my god, I got in. Checks Robux. Wait, what? Why does it say she has no Robux? Gets logged out. Oh my god, I got logged out. Let me.
Don't change that.
Pwede. Call center.
Ay na mami, niloloko ko lang yan.
Inom ka na, babe, ng Yosef?
Tumbler ko dito, babe.
What's your mind on mindless anyway?
How to claim your Robux in Starving Artist. Step 1, go to Chrome or Safari and log in. Step 2, click Robux. Pending Robux, it would talk to you a few days, so you have to be patient. How to claim your Robux.
A little context if you care to listen. I find myself in a shit position.
Inom nga ako, babe.
The man that I love sat me down last night and he told me that it's over, done decision. I don't wanna feel how my heart is ripping. A little context.
Vendo essas duas contas de menina por
Don't get lost, cause I'm waiting. Silent feelings are waiting, boy. You and me is more than 100 miles. You and me is more than the gray sky. You and me is more than lonely days. Don't get lost, cause I'm waiting.
Kaya alola mo.
Pons.
Ginagamit kasi yan ni Cholo, mami.
Pons.
Silent
Hug, tsaka kiss.
feelings are waiting, boy. You and me is more than 100 miles. You and me.
Logging into my little brother's Roblox account.
Enters details. Alright, we're in. Come, let's see. Very interesting.
I remember when we broke up. The first
Iyan, si Ian, binigay sa akin ako.
Yeah.
Hindi ko na yung alam.
time saying this is it, I've had enough. Cause like
We hadn't seen each other in a month when you said you needed space. What? Then you come around again and say, baby, I miss you and I swear I'm gonna change. Trust me, remember how that lasted for a day? I say I hate you, we break up, you call me, I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We called it off again last night, but this time I'm telling you, I never ever ever getting back together. I never ever ever getting back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. How about pet? Getting back together. Like 1G horse. Ever. I'm really gonna miss you picking.
Oo nga,
I don't know. It's sad. I saw the items.
sabi ko na Miguel, pa yung nagpapabog ng pintuan doon.
Don't you guys, I
Hindi, sira kasi yung...
set my password.
As if it was really that easy for me to get over.
Hindi talaga ipinabagsak.
Hindi nga siya sasara kung ano kailangan bibigyan.
Just need time.
OMG, OMG, OMG.
Where are you?
Don't you guys, I reset.
Wala na si Gaucho sa nakurihin. Sabi ng uso. Ready daw.
Hindi pwede yun. Pag ano.
Nangabo si na Dede. Bukas na ulit. Sanay sa'yo, mami, si Daniel. Sanay kayo sa isa't isa. Nung gabi na, tulog na siya. Saka si Gaucho na. Gising ng madaling araw.
Password?
Gumaganda.
No, my password is fine. It says my account's deleted. That means he's afraid to take me.
I just might marry that new today. But then I found out that Mickey was gay. Oh, Mickey is so fine. Oh, Mickey is so fine. So fine. I just might marry that new today. But then I found out that Mickey was gay. Oh, Mickey is so fine. Oh, Mickey is so fine. So fine. I just might marry that new today. But then I found out that Mickey was gay. Oh, Mickey is so fine. Oh, Mickey is so fine, so fine. I just might marry that new today.
Tapos, gagano'n ka niyan. Oo nga, mami. Oo. Sabi niya, akala ko alam mo sanay sa akin yung dahil mula maliit, ganun kami. Sisiksik hindi na nawala sa kanya yun. Oo. Kahit sino katabi.
In the back of my mind, you died. And I didn't even cry. No, not a single tear. And I'm sick of waiting patient
Ginaganon ko ba?
for someone that won't even arrive.
So I woke up this morning and I was logged out of Roblox.
Araw, mami.
My Roblox account login isn't working. Every time I try logging in, it doesn't work.
May gusto daw.
Prova che diamo Robux Sensei.
Wala yung may likot. Nakatatakot.
I open my previous account. I know this hack. I spend 10,000 Robux here. My avatar is just still there.
Bigyan mo ng ibang mapaglilibangan na ayun, ang ganon, ayun, ganon. Oh, di ba? Titigil yan.
I am crying.
Mami, itong dalawang to, kaya mo
It's been 1 year ago.
Hindi mo kaya, mami, hindi mo kaya. Sabi ko, ako na.
Thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I bring. Thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I bring. Thank you for rain.
Guys, help me. I was buying Robux. Look, I verify my address and number. Plus, someone help me to fix this.
To the room of people who have rooms of people that they love one day, docked away. To the room of people who have rooms of people that they love one day, docked away. To the room of people who have rooms of people that they love one day, docked away.
Edited and
To the room of people who have rooms of people that they love one day, docked away. To the room of people who have rooms of people that they love one day, docked away.
Isa pa pala yung sabi yung mga anak ni Tito Freddy kesa kay Miguel eh.
Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say.
Pero mo sa mga anak ni Kuya Jopet, na marami din, alam mo, sino lang ang mabait doon, mami? Si Yayang. Yung si Yayang. Yung anak ni mga mahiyain. Nahihimik lang. Pero suka na pala. Pero, ganun, tas butil-butil na yung pawis, tas susuka na pala.
Robux.
Try
it.
Matutulog siya sa higyan eh. Higain yun. Pero ang bahay.
Pain, thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day.
Gusto ko pala nagmana din.
It's a beautiful day.
Ready?
BUX.
Hindi yan tinatablan, Linda. Hindi tinatablan. Iyan ang mga bukang bibig niyan, mami. Ganon.
BUX.
Naglakihan na naglakihan na cowboy nga. Kasi ang inagay undeng. Ang ina naman di undin eh. Hindi naman din iniintindi eh. Parang
CA.
ano ba lang din, parang ganun.
CA.
Di ba maitim yung si Jennifer dati, mami? Oo, ang pangit nun.
Huwag ganun.
Maganda lang yun si Jennifer.
Huwag ganun.
Maputi, mami eh. Mas maganda pa ngayon kay Nenny. Blanty pa, buhok.
Huwag mo sabihin na pangit.
Pangit nga si Jennifer, ano ka ba?
Huwag ganun.
Kaya nga sabi namin, paano na gusto ni Freddy si Jennifer? Eh si Freddy na ni Guapo.
Mali lang yun.
Si Freddy na Guapo nung panahon nangangabit. Si Jennifer ang hindi namin nakalain na magustuhan niya dahil si Freddy nga ay may itsura.
Huwag mo sabihin pangit.
Kaya si Jennifer nung nagka-FB, doon ko nakita, nagpaganda. Hindi. Basta ko nga sa'yo, mami, kabagong panganak pa lang siya kay...
It's 4.4 reviews.
Nakita ko nga Pasko. Sabi ko, ay, ito
A
ang
little bit
typical
good
na palengke. Yung
TikTok
itsura
shop
tag...
sellers.
Alis ka dyan, nag-uusap. Yung itsura ni mami maitim na mataba. Ngayon, maputi, blondie ang buhok. Mataba.
Yung mukha maputi kasi sabi ko nga sa kanya, Jennifer, ba't ang ganda ng mukha mo? Kasi sa friend ko sa FB, sabi secret. Sabi ko, i-share mo nga sa akin yung ilalagay mo sa mukha mo. Sabi niya, secret. Ilagay mo na, para naman kayo makagamit din. Hindi naman niya sinabi. Kasi nga nakakita ko sa FB.
Walang ginagamit. That's
Then
all.
you open.
Si Jennifer yung nakaabang sa kanto, di ba? Yung naka-perfect shorts.
It's a beautiful
Nakita ko
day.
ito.
Eh.
Paghinto ng jeep, biglang tumalikod.
Ano yung tsura ng bahay
Eh,
nila?
friends kami, inad ako ni Jennifer sa FB eh.
Hi and auto mo. Anong bahay nila?
Ay, hindi namin nakita, mami.
Pero
Kasi
si-
parang papasok ka pa ng
Si Jennifer mabait sa
eskinita.
akin yan. Kasi nung panahon ang daddy mo, ay laging nung panahon ang lola niya at may sakit na, no, kamamatay lang. Si Jennifer ang tagasabi sa akin na, "Hoy, Ate Linda, dito na nakatira si Kuya Dindo kasama yung asawa niya." Ah, talaga? Yan ang nagsasabi
Sino
sa akin.
asawa man?
Si Cherry.
Tumira din sa Pasita?
Kaya yun.
Eh, teka lang. Eh, di ba si Tito
Isa, anak ko
Ama
lang.
na nagpagawa nun?
Eh, wala si Tito Amo niya na nasa abroad.
Eh, nasa si Tita Net, nasa
Ang
San
nakatira
Antonio.
ngayon doon, sila parehong kabit. Si Jennifer at si Dindo. Pinagtagisahan yung kwarto doon. Si Jennifer ang nagsasabi sa akin eh. At walang matirahan sila mga daddy niya. Itinira doon eh dahil wala na si nanay.
Thank you for
Si Lenny naman
rain.
yata ay
It's a
doon din nakatira.
beautiful
Kaya sa kwarto
day.
ni, sa kwarto ni Lola ng
It's a
Lola niya. Hindi pa
beautiful
gawa ang
day.
bahay. Sinarang
Eh.
ready sa extension. Yung dati naming kwarto.
Eh, wala namang kwarto dun, mami.
Ako pa lang yung hindi pa nagagawa yun. Kasi ngayon iba na eh.
Thank you
Di ba
for
gumanda na ngayon ang bahay
that.
nila?
Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin kwarto dun, mami. Open pa rin yun eh.
Pinaayos na nga,
It's a
tinanggal na yung
beautiful
extension.
day.
Yung extension inopen. Ang ginawang kwarto, di ba yung kwarto doon ng lola nila, bodega na.
Day.
So ang kwarto na lang
Thank you for
iisa.
joy. Thank
Yung
you
isang
for
malaki,
rain.
tsaka yung
It's a
kwarto yata
beautiful
ni
day.
Lisa. O si Carito sa
Yay,
natutulog sa extension eh. Bakit hindi sila eh? Hindi sila magkatabi sa kwarto. Ang magkatabi sa kwarto yung mag-ina. Iisa na lang yung kwarto malaki. Yun yung kwarto nila Tita Net at nila Tito Amon. Doon nakatira. Kasi yung kwarto ni Neneng, ginawa lang nga daw bodega. Tambakan na daw ng mga dati.
Ah, kasi dati nung maliit si Mia, hindi pa ako nagbubuntis dito. Ito ay
Nakarating ako noon, ang bahay nila.
pinatulog ni
gawa na-
Neneng doon sa kwarto ni Neneng. Yung pagpasok mong ganyan, CR tapos kwarto ni Neneng.
Oo, yun. Bodega na yun.
Tapos yung dito, kwarto nila.
Tito Amon yung malaki.
Robux,
Pero wala nang balik sa likod.
Robux.
Hindi pa tinanggal? Di ba paano na palaki ang kwarto ni Tito Amon? Paano na palaki? Ang kwarto ni Tito Amon, yung kwarto yung nilaging kwarto rin natin ng una daan.
Oh, yun pa rin.
Ang tinanggal ang extension. Inopen.
Hindi nga tinanggal yung extension.
Inopen nga.
Mas inopen lang.
Inopen lang. Nandun pa rin pala yung CR. Sino nagamit ng CR doon?
Hindi ko gusto gumamit.
Nasa likod dun eh. CR namin yun eh.
Ah, okay.
CR namin yun. So noon si Jennifer at yung si Dindo doon tumira. Pareho sila. Kaya si Jennifer nakukwento sa akin. Na doon daw nakatira. Ang lahat daw ng gamit nila ay nandun doon. May nakasilya pa. Kaya sabi ko, grabe ka, pinatira mo pa diyan pa kayo tumira, hindi na kayo nahiya. Sabi ko pa nga sa dati niya nung araw yun, na hindi ko pa alam na kami hindi mag-asawa. Siyempre ako naiinis.
May ba yung kumot ko?
Dahil sabi ko,
Yung
naitira mo pa yan dyan, di ba nakakahiya yung kabet? Parang si Dindo, in-open niya yan.
Baby.
Ini-open niya yung kanyang asawa. Kasi nga, alam ko, toro, feeling ko, alam ng daddy mo naman na kami hindi,
Hindi niya
alam niya.
Hindi niya alam.
Kunwari lang.
Hindi.
Ino-open niya si Cherry nun eh.
Hindi niya alam
Kaya
yun.
sabi ko kay Jennifer, ganun ba Jennifer? Oo ate, dito na sila nakatira.
Hindi niya alam.
Yun ang nagsasabi sa akin si Jennifer.
Tapos paano napalis si mami?
Mabait naman sa akin si Jennifer.
Wait lang, mami. Paano nagkikila Tito Amon yung bahay
Mabait si
niya?
Jennifer
Eh di pinaalis na ni Tito Carlo, ni Tito Fred, ni Tito
Okay,
ni
okay.
Tito Amo, dahil pagagawa nga nila yung bahay. Eh di wala na
How much
sila mapupunta,
minutes?
kundi sila Jennifer na lugar. Bumalik sila doon.